guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are just going to be doing what the title of the video says. So right now I stepped outside. I'm going to the posho mill. So guys, I don't want to lie to you guys, there's a posho mill around here. That's where I'm going to. So I want you to come along with me. Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are all doing great. Today I'm going to be sharing with you typical few days in the life of a mom and all that stuff. I'm also going to be doing what the title of the video says. You're going to be doing meal prep and all that stuff. So I stepped outside after clearing my laundry. I went to the posho mill to get my maize flour. So guys, I don't want to lie to you, so I always get my maize flour from the posho mill. I know many young women are afraid of that, but I always do that. I was raised like that and it's just normal to me. So from the posho mill I also got some cereals. Since we are going to be doing meal prep, so we are going to be cooking some healthy recipes and all that. So I got some Njahi black beans. They are not bad for acid reflux. I also got some brown beans. They are not bad for watermelon. I'm sorry. These beans are already prepared. All I did was to wash them. You have to wash them well because maybe they are dusty or something like that. So I just washed them. I'm sorry, as shown in the video. So I always soak my beans overnight. It helps me save energy, my charcoal, since I'm going to be cooking with the charcoal stuff. So after preparing my beans, I went ahead and set them aside. So now I'm just showing you. I also bought some sweet potatoes. I also bought some corn. I also bought some arrowroots. So let's start by preparing our sweet potatoes and arrowroots. So all I'm going to do is to just peel them as shown in the video, and then I'm going to chop them. So I'm just talking about my sweet potatoes and arrowroots here, you guys. So I'm going to peel my potatoes and arrowroots, chop them really well, wash them. So I'll leave you to watch me for a little while and I'll be right back. So after chopping my arrowroots, I'm then going to rewash them with some clean water, and then I added them to my pot, added some water to slightly cover them, and then I added up a pinch of salt. I'm sorry. So I did that to my sweet potatoes too. I know you know how to prepare these arrowroots and sweet potatoes. Don't want to go into so much detail. So moving on, we are going to prepare our corn. So for this corn, we are going to make some githeri. I love homemade githeri, and making the githeri was the reason why I did this vlog. That's why this vlog came to my mind, you guys. I really wanted some homemade githeri. So I'm going to prepare my corn as shown in the video, and as you know, I always just do this with my hand as we used to do in the village, so it's just normal to me. So I'm going to prepare them like that, and then I'm going to set them aside. Then we are going to prepare our charcoal stove. I'm going to cook with a charcoal stove. You can't cook githeri and all these beans in a gas stove, you guys. That's why you are going to be wasting your energy. But I don't want to judge anybody. Whatever works for you, go for it. So I'm going to light my charcoal stove and set it aside. So since I was doing my laundry in the morning, I didn't get a chance to clear my dishes. So as my charcoal stove is still lighting, I went ahead to clear my dishes. So the dishes are a little too many since I haven't cleared them since morning. Therefore, yesterday night, morning, and for lunch. So I'm going to clear them as I also cook. So right now I just added my sweet potato pot that we prepared a while ago. I'm going to cover it well, and then I'm going to cook it as I continue with clearing my dishes. So I'll leave it to watch me for a little while, and I'll be right back. Guys, when you're a mom, you have to multitask and you have to do everything. So as you can see right now, I've finished clearing my dishes and our sweet potatoes are ready. I'm going to set them aside, and then I'm going to add my arrowroot pot. So as you can see, after a while our arrowroots are also ready. All I did was to just boil both of them. I'm then going to add more charcoal to my stove. It's now in the evening, you guys, and I just came outside to buy some dinner, or supper, whichever one you want to call it. So after that, I'm going to add my pot of beans. We are going to be cooking the brown beans first. So I left my beans to cook overnight. And then the next day, here I am. I'm just preparing my corn, washing it and preparing it to cook our githeri. So right now I'm just going to be removing anything that's floating on our maize. Hi guys, so it's day 2. We are going to finish cooking our githeri. So as you can see, I woke up a little early and I already lit my charcoal stove. So right now I just removed our bean spot, and then I'm going to add my corn. So normally when you're cooking githeri, you always, when the beans are a little chewy, then you add your corn, but I couldn't do that since my beans overcooked last night, so I had to cook the corn separately. So you guys, as you can see, I'm just washing my black beans. So I mixed these black beans with some of my brown beans. So right now, as you can see, I'm just checking on our corn and it's ready. So all I'm going to do is to mix it together with the beans, and you guys, That is it. That is what we call berry in our country. If you are watching and you are from another country, that is what we call berry. And homemade berries are the best. So moving on, it's a busy day. I have to do all this. So moving on, I'm going to be preparing our vegetables. I bought some managu, 2 bunches. I also bought some terere, 1 bunch. I also bought some mito, 2 bunches too. I also bought some kunde. I just bought for 30 shillings. I also bought some renda, and that's all our vegetables we are going to prepare. So you guys, I love traditional vegetables. So all this you're going to be doing meal prep, fridge organization and all that stuff, as the title of the video says. So right now all I'm doing is to just prepare my managu. So our managu, we are going to mix it together with the terere. Should I say terere? I'm also going to be checking on our githeri, and as you can see our githeri is ready. I'm just going to add some salt, and then I'm going to give it a little shaky, and yes, our githeri is ready. I'm going to set it aside, and then I'm going to add my beans pot. So don't think I'm nasty, you guys. I just added the water that was what the extra water that was on our githeri, so that's just okay. It's not dirty, you guys, and I know you didn't notice that. So as you can see right now, I just finished preparing our managu and terere. I'm going to set them aside. Moving on, we are going to move and prepare our mito. So for my mito, I always just separate the leaves, and that is it. I don't always cut them. So all we are going to do is to remove the leaves only as I've done in the video. So for this particular vegetables, we are going to mix them together with our kunde. So for our kunde, we are going to have to cut it. So I'm going to cut it as shown in the video, and also for our merenda, I'm shoving a lot. I'm just going to remove the leaves like that, and then I'm going to move ahead and wash my vegetables thoroughly as shown in the video. So I'll be watching for a little while, and I'll be right back. So after preparing our vegetables, all I'm going to do is to add them to our pots. I'm going to add some water to our mito vegetables that's mixed. I'm going to add some baking powder. You can also use soda ash or soda ash, whichever one you want. So it's already night. I just made my supper. So we are going to prepare our chapati dough and let it sit overnight for tomorrow. So all I did was to cook my vegetables. I just boiled my vegetables. I'm sorry I didn't catch. I'm sorry, I meant I didn't feel that. Hi guys. So it's day 3 of our vlog. So we are watching something. So I'm just going to quickly clean the house and do some house chores. So I'll leave you to watch me. So you guys, I'm sorry I didn't get the chance to talk to you face to face throughout this video. My husband is into some kind of rock and roll, you guys, and you already know how that can be loud. So I didn't get the chance to talk, but when I get the chance to talk, I'm going to talk to you face to face. So I'm just going to move on. As I said, it's day 3. I'm going to clean the house. I also have to do house chores and all that stuff. I'm going to clean the house as shown in the video. I already cleared my dishes. So all I did was to clean the house. So I'll leave it watching for a little while, and I'll be right back. you've heard the rock and roll. The rock and roll is pretty loud when I'm doing this vlog, so I can't interfere with this busyness. So he has to enjoy himself, and I am also going to do my thing here, you guys. So I just shown you the kind of fridge I have. I just have this small one here. It's not that it's second small. I just don't know how to say that, but I hope you've seen that. So all I'm going to do is to clean my fridge. So for the spray bottle that I was holding, I had some vinegar and water in it. So I first cleaned the fridge with that, and then I moved on with some of, I'm also going to clean the outside of the fridge and my microwave and wipe everything up. So for this, I always just use some of my Surfacer. It's a soap to remove grease and all that, and it's also scented, so it's good. So before I cleaned the fridge, I removed all the food that was in and everything else, including the sidebars and everything else. I don't know if that's the right word for it. And then I cleaned them. So this is what I'm talking about. I always clean them separately. See you in my next one.